Miranda. Oh, Miranda, hen, you're obsessed. Iries in a brains after that muckle Egypt, vowing is your world. You're head over heels, overhead, besotted, but he keeps others on the fly. Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, Oberon, fairy names. None as bonny as you fiddling the dib-nib of Shakespeare's quill. All those hidey holes and secrets, twinkling and glittering like Aurora's lanterns beneath chittering rock. Colossal highs are never squared. Chasm lows could tickle Nessie's belly. Are ye a volcano, sned fae its body? Shaggy coated on your luminous cliffs, glinting crowns for telescopic keekers to ogle. And him, Claykit, chieftain of the planet race, hurling round ye, caw his back. Can ye no see that he's no the big bang that he makes himself out to be? I ken your chaotic past, scars down your coupin licht by glowing stars. Dinna swither, sweetheart, curie in. I ken you're close to him, but your ring doesna skinkle the way Saturn's does. You're only wee, but you're fierce, complex, exotic. Sometimes it's been chaotic, but nae mair. Split. Leave him to his other moons and greeting Titan wanes. Fragment into toty speckles of stardust. You've nae magnetic field keeping you here. Tidally locked, he has nae choice but to watch your face blaw a kiss back like an asteroid to his weeping cheeks.